everyone, welcome to STEM Monday. So today I'm going to do the dissolving penny experiment, and you're going to need a penny from after 1982, so 1983 and beyond, which is pretty easy to find. And if you have a penny from prior to 1982, so try to get 1981 and before that, you can use that as a comparison. I looked all over the house and could not find an old penny. So I'm just going to be using the new one, but if you do have an old one, do two of these experiments together so that you can see the difference between the old and the new. So you also need some vinegar and some salt and a glass cup. Do not use plastic because the plastic will start to corrode with this, and we're going to leave it for a week or two. So I'm going to start with my penny, and I also need a file, and the file I have is just on a pair of fingernail clippers, so I'm just going to use the edge of that right there that you filed out your nails with. So on the edge of the penny, here's my penny, and right here the edge, I'm just going to use the file and kind of file away till I see the silver. So we're going to make an acid with the vinegar and the salt, and it's not a very strong acid. That's why it takes it so long. There are stronger acids, but they get kind of dangerous, and you don't want to do anything dangerous. All right, so you can kind of see the silver. Let's see how well. Yeah, you can see the silver. Now it's just one spot, but like I said, it's not a very strong acid, so I'm going to do it in 3 spots total. So that spot right there, and then I'm just going to do it on 2 more edges, and then it should be ready to go. All right, so I have 3 sides of my penny where I can see silver, and I'm gonna put that aside right now. I'm gonna put some vinegar. I don't have a lot, so I'm not gonna use very much. I just need enough where the penny can be totally submerged. So I'm gonna put some vinegar in here. And vinegar is smelly, so we're gonna have to deal with that smell. There's my vinegar. And then I'm gonna mix some salt, and I'm just gonna mix in enough so that it dissolves. I don't wanna mix too much. So if it's not dissolving any, ooh, what is that? If it's not dissolving anymore, I don't wanna mix it in. So I can still see some on the bottom, so I think that's about as much as it's gonna hold. It gets a little milky, and that's fine. And then all I'm gonna do is drop my penny in, and I'll come back and check on it in a couple days. Try to pull it out with some pliers or tweezers or something if you have them, instead of just sticking your fingers in. It's not gonna hurt you if you wash your hands afterwards. It's just salt and vinegar, but try not to touch it and ruin the experiment either. All right. And if you have an old penny, just do the same thing in another glass with the old penny. Make sure you mark which one's which so you remember. All right, so I've let my penny sit for about 2 weeks now, and I'm gonna try to get it out of here with a spoon because I don't have any pliers on me. And I can see these tiny black flakes swimming around, so I'm thinking maybe something got in there. There's my penny. I'm gonna put it out on here. I'm gonna be very careful. Let's see. Ooh, it's flaking. I can tell. So it's hard to see, but I can, just holding it, I can feel it. And you can see right here, let's see how good we can do. I'm not sure how easy you can see, but this is where I shaved it. And the vinegar and the salt got in there and started to eat away at the inside, and that's why it's hollow. It actually feels lighter now too. Give that a try. So why does this happen? Before 1982, pennies contained about 2.95 grams, 2.95 grams of copper, and about 1,500 grams of zinc. After 1982, the composition of pennies was changed to contain about 2.46 grams of zinc and only 600 grams of copper, so very little amount. The reason for this was copper was expensive. In 1999, copper sold for 60 cents a pound, while zinc was only about 45 cents per pound, so it was cheap. On a side note, during World War II, pennies were made of 100% zinc because copper was needed to make supplies for the war. So like I said, the inside of a modern penny contains zinc, and the salt and the vinegar makes acetic acid, which is like a weak version of hydrochloric acid. Everything is made up of elements, and both zinc and copper are elements. The hydrogen reacts to the zinc and makes it dissolve away. So what would happen if you tried it on a different coin? Give it a shot. Let me know. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.